Good morning, Achieve Charter School. It is Thursday, March 25th. It's so good to be here today. Can you please stand at attention with me? Stand at attention, salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. All right, you guys can have a seat. Hey, check this out. March Madness competition is well underway. Yesterday morning, you got to see the results show from Mrs. Etchison. Oh my goodness. I feel like Mrs. Etchison should be on SportsCenter. She's so good at that. And she loves basketball and she loves sports. So it makes sense that she would be so good at that. I told her like next week, maybe she can get like a top 10 in there. You know how SportsCenter does their top 10 plays of the week? She could have like top 10 students that just rocked it this week. I had some students come up to me. So here's a couple shout outs. I heard Ezra came up to me the other day and was like, I passed 2 math PFAs today. And then actually a teacher was standing right there. I think it was Mr. Alderson, was like, hey, didn't you pass one yesterday too? And he's like, oh yeah, I did pass one yesterday. So nice job, Ezra. Shout out to a whole bunch of students who have been going and finding their coach for March Madness. So if you've been and talked to your coach or emailed with your coach and you're making a plan, nice job. Way to go on that. I was looking through the summit data yesterday, and I know that Mrs. Etchison broke it down for you and gave you some hot tips in that video. She basically told you how to win this competition. I'll tell you this. It's Thursday, and a line passed for a whole bunch of people yesterday on a lot of PFAs. The cool thing is some people had passed those PFAs before the line got there, which was amazing. Remember, we're talking about that. Like, you're not supposed to wait till the line passes, then do it. However, any team could win it this week. Like, any team at all. You got to be strategic. You got to turn something red to green today. So I'm going to give you some time to think, plan with your teacher. Your teacher can give you advice on this. If your teacher is not your coach, you can probably trust them. Okay, so with Mrs. Etchison out of the competition, because that's Mrs. Erica Etchison, since she's like running this competition, you can probably trust your teacher. She would not be giving somebody on another team a tip. I'm pretty sure everybody else is like safe to, you can trust them, right? But anyways, your goal today, you got to turn something red to green. Okay, that's probably going to get you the most points and help your team win. Second thing with this is you just got to do that mentor pre-work. Like we kind of rigged this, right? Because we wanted to make sure you did it. There is no way your team can win if people on your team don't do their mentor pre-work. It's like free points, but if you don't get the free points, the other team's going to get them, and your team won't be able to compete. So take like 2 minutes to do your mentor pre-work before you have your mentor meeting, and then turn anything from red to green today. I'm talking anything. Okay, a project that a teacher sent back, a project that's overdue, a PFA, anything that turns red to green today is going to help your team win. So take a few minutes, strategize. Teachers, if you got time this morning, you can even just let them get out their Chromebooks and make a plan. You could even add your goal to your week page. That would be kind of next level stuff, right? Maybe even take this planning time to do your mentor pre-work. And if you don't know what to do, talk to your teacher. Also, since that line passed, if you were on track at the start of the week and you want your team to get those points for you being on track, double check. Look at your year page this morning. Trust me, like that line, it bumped past a lot of things yesterday. All right, have a great day, Achieve. You're killing it. You know, when we looked at your summit data, our school is higher in most things than we've been all year long. It's incredible. Oh man, I have this graph that I'll have to show with you guys, but we have, as a school, done over 2,000 PFAs this year. We're like on track to pretty much finish all the PFAs, or very, very close to it. So you guys are killing it. Have a great day, Achieve. Bye.